BlackRock dumped a bunch of Bitcoin this morning. If you followed me on my Twitter, you probably seen it. Well, you call it X. I'm not going to. But in any case, here's what happened. If you want to get in, by the way, below any one of my videos, you will see, hold on, a link to my Discord. You would have had early access. Right here, we caught it 8:38 a.m. BlackRock dumping Bitcoin. I told everyone, okay? And all of a sudden, everyone started to get ready, okay? And look, boom, epic. Caught them. And so we've been going on and on in real time. Look, thank you for that, Oracle. That's why you're the man. Everybody shorted on BitTuneX. The first link below. No VPN, nothing. I'm shorting right now, right there. Look, I'm up. Oh, I want to plow this whole number. I'm going light underneath 104. But it's been all morning. Look, so let me take you back here. All right, so everybody was nailing it. If we come down here to Oracle testimonials, I never ask people to post this. Look on the top, over 100 new testimonials, 74%, 30%, 48%, 15%. Kevin, you need to go heavier than that. Oh, but you were only at 8x, so that's good. 25%, look at Toyster, 19, 101, 32, 94. Look at this. Look at Man of Destiny just ripping. Computer, speak.
Man of Destiny said which hour night ops. 27% BTC short 82x. 22% BTC short 82x. 34% BTC short 82x.
We're up 19%, 20%, $700. Look at this in real time right now. Oh, I don't want to adjust my leverage. Hold on. 23%. This is great. Shorting makes money. Flash close that bad boy. Boom! Just like that. Get ready and reload. What's the wallet? We are growing. Did you see it right before your eyes? This is how you do it. This is how we do it in Team Us, baby. Want to wait for the shot. So I'm going to set up a box trade here. What's a box trade? It's a small, tiny fraction of my trade at the bottom in case it keeps going down. But the rest of my trades are over whole numbers. 104, 123. Okay, we'll put $1,200 there. Always at 81x. Why? Because you need the speed or else you will get trapped in trades. Okay, let's do another one at 105 because I expect a pump time coming. 105 and another $1,000. Now, I put up to 40% of my entire wallet into the trading. Okay, but I stagger them in like this. See, we're way below the whole number. I shouldn't even have this in here. I'm going to give up that $10 right there. That's not a big deal. Okay, that's cool. But you need to know, I'm going to wait for them to go over the whole number. 104 should hit first. They will buy the dip because that's how they're trained as human beings. Look, there's a description box below the video. With that description box, you can get into my Discord and you can sign up for BitTuneX free. This is what we do. You want to learn, get rich, or get wrecked. We do not use TA. What we do is wave theory. Okay? Not even Elliott wave, Elliott Ness, none of that. All it is the bigger the candle, the bigger the move. The smaller the candle, the smaller the move. And the moves come in waves. Okay, let me take you to my daily trade updates. This is absolutely free. Okay, look. Let me take you all the way back. This is the overnight dumping action that happened. And then as the wave leaves from this overnight dump, you can see how we start to come back up. And then another massive dump. And all night, I'm telling you what's going to happen. This is the 1 hour chart. I said the AM pump is not guaranteed, but you have to be aware of it. And boom, here it is right on time at 7:43 a.m. So we know Bitcoin's movements before it happens. We knew that BlackRock was dumping. How do we know? This is what we do. We are legendary. Right now, I'm waiting it out because I don't want to short down here. Let them buy over the whole number. They will. They think it's cheap right now. All it does is go up and down on the small time frames. You'll hear my order fire off. I don't stare at charts. I could go in the other room, and when I hear it click, I know to come and check my screen. When you hear something click, you better turn around or duck, bitch. Boom! Oracle out. Links below. Have a good day. BlackRock dumps. What's going on?